Hi friends, Pato Gyan YouTube channel welcomes you. Today we will be discussing about basics of electronic component. This video will be helpful to students in preparing for competitive exams, interviews, as well as these electronics objective question will be very useful for first year engineering students to develop a strong fundamental of basic electronics. So let's start. The first question is define electronic component. The answer is electronic components are the basic building blocks of electronic system or electronic circuit. List different types of electronic components. Electronic components are mainly classified into two types: passive components, active components. Define passive components. Answer is a passive component is an electronic component that consumes energy in the form of voltage but does not supply energy. The next question is, what are the characteristics of passive components? The answer is, passive components cannot increase the power of an electrical signal. Passive components temporarily store the electrical energy in the form of electric field or magnetic field. Passive components do not depend on the external source of voltage to perform a specific task. The next question is, what are the characteristics of active components? The answer is, active components control the electric current flowing through them. Active components depend on the external voltage or current to work. Active components amplify the power of an electrical signal. Next question, define active component. Active component is an electronic component that consumes energy in the form of voltage or current and supplies energy in the form of voltage or current. Next question is, list different types of passive components. The different types of passive components include resistor, capacitor, inductor. Next question, list different types of active components. Answer is, the different types of active components include diode, transistor, integrated circuits. Define resistor. The answer is, resistor is a passive component that restricts the flow of electric current. The next question is, define capacitor. And the answer is, capacitor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy in the form of static electric field. Next question, define inductor. The answer is, inductor is an electronic component that stores electrical energy in the form of magnetic field. Define diode. The answer is, a diode is a two-terminal device that allows electric current in one direction and blocks electric current in another direction. The next question is, define transistor. And the answer is, transistor is an electronic component that amplifies electrical signals. Which type of materials are used to construct transistors? The answer is, Silicon and germanium materials are most commonly used to construct transistors. Next question is define integrated circuit. And the answer is an circuit is a small semiconductor chip on which millions of electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, and transistors are fabricated. Thanks for watching our video. In this video, we tried to cover most commonly asked questions during exams. If you have any other query, then please write in comment section given below. I'll reply back to you. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.